In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to install Google Travel app in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to open your Google Chrome. The moment you have bring this browser up, all you need to do is you need to navigate to the upper right side of it. You can see their Gmail, images, this lab icon, and this one. So please click on it to reveal the Google apps. And from here, you need to scroll down and look for Google Travel. So as you can see, it is being placed here below this Google Ads. So please click on it. And in a few moments, you would be redirected to the Google Travel page. All you need to do is you need to wait until it would be ready for you. So here at the Google Travel, one good thing about this is that it has the feature or information where you can explore, go with flights, hotels, and vacation rentals here the moment you will access this one. And you will be able to see or find out popular destinations that you can go with or that you can visit with all over the world. And in order to install this as an app, all you need to do is you need to navigate to the top right corner. You can see there are three dots. Click on this one, and you need to locate your cursor to cast, save, and share. The moment you locate your cursor here, you will be able to bring up this kind of window. Please proceed to install Google Travel or Trips all on one place as an app. The moment you click on it, you will be able to see this one. Please click on install. And in a few moments, it will now start on the installation. And once this would be appearing here in our Windows screen, that would mean that we have successfully installed it. So by that, you can now close the window. And if you would check it here as well as the desktop, you can see that a Google Travel shortcut has been automatically created. So I would suggest to rename that for easy identification. So by that, please make a right click and you need to go with the rename icon. Click on this one and please name that into Google Travel. And then hit the enter key, and in that way you would be able to identify it easily. So you would be receiving a notification as well if you would like to pin this into the taskbar. You can click on yes if you would like to, or you can simply decline the offer by clicking on no thanks. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.